Day? Nabrown mo, Day?
Second driving experience.
Okay. Sige.
So, brake.
Tapa ka brake.
Tapa ko brake. Go, bring to neutral.
Okay, down.
Bring this.
Press. Press. Down. Okay. Drive. Drive. No, drive lang. Naagpo lang. Kita mo na D. Okay.
What is 4?
4 low na, manual na.
Okay, so I can release that.
Oh, release now, brake. Slowly release brake. Okay. Put your feet on the accelerator.
I'm not putting capacity.
Put your feet in the accelerator para mabatsaga mas lakyan. Okay. Okay. You're putting your feet in the accelerator. Okay. Just go straight. Straight. Okay. Return. Libot ang wheel. Okay. Go to the middle of the road. Okay. Balik. I-center mo nga salakyan sa tungasang road. Okay. Okay. Relax your shoulder pag nag-ano ka, nag-drive. Put your salakyan sa situnga. Ga-drive na si Inday. Okay. Put ka gasolinador. Oo, mabatsaga mong salakyan. But don't just slowly nga pagbutang sa gasolina. Just don't too much movement. Just make it straight. Okay. Put gas. Okay, slowly lang. Hinay-hinay lang. Don't batsaga mo na nga. Amo na imong gulpe mo na siya. Hinay-hinay lang. Kaya mo todo pag hinay-hinay. Okay. Alingaw ka, Day.
Okay lang. Pressure.
Okay.
So this is automatic. You don't actually have to effort.
Yeah, you just press the gasoline and be ready to put the brake.
Okay, if I'm braking slowly.
You should put brake slowly. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now I want to reverse. Can we try?
No, you reversed. Okay.
So
Both neutral.
neutral.
Okay. Then reverse. Diretso sa reverse. Okay. You look at the back side. Okay. And also look in front. Look on your left and right side mirror. Slowly. You're running faster.
Very fast.
Yeah. Alalay sa ano lang, hinay. Okay.
Ano unsa dinhi ka? Ay, I don't wanna.
Just go. Just go. Just don't
Kusog.
look at your surrounding bago ka mag-ano. Don't focus on the screen. Look on your center mirror kung may tao sa likod.
Di ko kita.
Okay. Okay, go. Just go straight. Go back. Okay. Then, okay, stop. Go drive. Neutral. Okay. You pause a little bit para disengage ang makina.
Ma-feel sa makina.
Okay, so forward. Okay, you drive. She's driving, my friend. So mga abyan, si Inday GM. Siya nang ga-drive subong. Ako, pasahero. Okay. Ano ma'am, bal mo, Day?
Busy ko pag-drive ay ako.
Okay. Sige.
Distract.
You can gradually put gas para ano ka, ma-feel mo sa lakyan. Put a little gas so that ma-feel mong dalaga sa salakyan. Hindi mo na put a little gas.
So basically, sa'yo na naman siya pero
Okay, just maintain this road. And okay.
Can I tuyok?
Yeah. You turn, you leave it.
Like this?
Oh yeah, like that. Full. Yeah. Libot. Put gas. Slowly. Okay. Then align your
Okay, sobrahan na.
Okay, stop ka. Stop ka di. Stop ka, stop. Stop. Brake, brake. Okay, neutral. Okay. Handbrake. Okay, park. Okay. Desalinador. Butang gasolina. Gusto mga bayan nga drive na si Inday GM. Siya na nang drive.
Okay.
Dahil ka most time experience, dahil ikaw lang isa ka drive,
Very good.
lingaw ka man,
Okay.
sumukuha ka na driving
New
license.
skills unlocked. Check. Dili.